If you teach in-person classes at a studio, you need to check this out. Hey dancers, welcome to Dance Tech with JHsu, the channel where dancers become more proficient and efficient in the digital space. I can never say that. If you're teaching in a studio, tell me if this sounds familiar. You plug your phone into the speaker and go to the middle of the room to start teaching. Then it's time for music, so you run back to the speaker, hit play, then run back to the mirror to demonstrate for your students, then you run back to the speaker to restart the song or lower the volume because you need to give notes, or you yell at the nearest student to turn the volume down. I don't know about you, but I find that so annoying and it wastes a lot of time. Also, in this time of COVID, the less you need to move through students in the studio or have other people touch things, the better. So, if you play music from a Bluetooth-enabled device, I highly recommend looking into a Bluetooth transmitter like this one from TaoTronics. It lets you connect your phone to any speaker, letting you move around the studio freely while being able to change your music whenever you want. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money off Amazon. I wanted to try it out, see how it went, but it's made things so much easier for me in the studio, so I wanted to share this with everyone. And on Amazon, this had a lot of great reviews. It was really reasonably priced, so if you're interested in checking it out, I'll have a link to it in the description below. Before we start though, this really only works if your class is entirely in person. If you're teaching a hybrid class, don't use something like this. The latency makes syncing things weird. Instead, I'd recommend checking out my video on different sound setups for Zoom and using something like a USB mixer or sharing your computer sound. Like I said earlier, because it's Bluetooth, there is some latency, meaning there's some delay, so your music and your video feed will be out of sync. But for in-person classes, that doesn't really matter. I'll hit play, there'll be a slight delay before the music kicks in, but I can still teach like normal. You can get the TaoTronics Bluetooth transmitter and receiver for $30 on Amazon, so it's not going to break the bank. And it has a really small footprint, making it really easy to bring with you to the studio or staying connected to your speaker as a more permanent fixture. It comes with a charging cable and an audio cable, and this other cable, I don't know what it's called, but you use it to connect it to things like your TV, and it's super easy to use. All you do, take the audio cable, plug it in to the device. This end goes into your speaker like an aux cord normally does. Turn this on, connect it to your phone, and you're good to go. On the bottom of the device, you can set it either as a transmitter or receiver. Transmitter mode will let you connect the device to something like your TV and let you use Bluetooth earbuds to listen in. Receiver mode will let you plug it into a speaker and then connect through your Bluetooth with your phone. When you use it as a transmitter, you can connect up to 2 devices to it, but as a dance teacher, I'm going to be focusing on using it as a receiver. So if you are using it for class, make sure it's in the RX mode. The built-in battery is supposed to last up to 10 hours, but I don't even worry about that because you can use it while it's charging. So if the battery is running low, I just plug it into the wall while I'm teaching. It's marketed as low latency, not zero latency, so when you hit play on your device, you'll hear it through the speakers about a second later. So if you have choreography that starts right when the music starts, just keep that in mind. Once you've done the initial pairing to your device, it automatically connects the next time you turn it on, and when I was testing it, I was able to get about 55 feet away before I started to hear the music break up. Okay, I'm here testing to see how far away I can be from the transmitter before the signal starts to break. So I have it connected to my Aki Bluetooth speaker. So normally this is a Bluetooth speaker on its own, but when you plug it in, it acts as a normal speaker. So I'm gonna be connected through here, and let's see how far I can go. All right, so first let's turn the speaker on. And you'll notice here, even though the speaker is on, it's not picking up on my phone because this is plugged in. So now we'll plug this in and you'll see how quickly it connects. And there we go, we're connected. That's it for this video, everyone. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other tech hacks that have made teaching in either your virtual classroom or physical classroom easier, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button so you know when new videos come out, and I'll see you next time. 5, 6, 7, 8.